Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A1. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password, enter your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Firstly, let me turn off the password, and then we are going to use each one of the screen locks to unlock our phone. Let's start with numeric, continue, and now go to use a different password type. Now we've got three more numeric passwords: 6 digit, 4 digits and 4 to 16 digits numeric passwords. Let's only select 4 digits password, because basically they are the same and the only difference is length. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select alphanumeric, and to create alphanumeric password, enter at least 4 characters. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Let's enter it, and now we have to scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe up and it's done. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.